Righto, today we've got this FG XR6 Turbo here, and as you can see it has some sort of situation going on, so we're just going to do a compression test, and I've got an inspection camera as well and see what we can find. Rightio, so we just got the coil cover off, which is easy. You just got your Torx bits, oil cap, PCV valve, and we took the blow off valve off because it was in the way. But right, we'll get these coils out and then we can get the plugs out and have a look. So everyone asks about the rear spark plug. You just need a knuckle and some extensions, and in you go. Oh, no. Just like that. Thanks. Yep. Yep. $195. Yep. Yep. What's that? 170. Right, number 3. Yep. Yep. 120. Number 4. Yep. 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 Hello, number 5. Yep. And number 6. Yep. Righto, so we've got 3. We've got 3 that are really bad, so there's a really good chance it's had some sort of high-speed lean out. But yeah, we don't have any issues with the plugs. The plugs all look really good, considering the compression. Just record there somewhere for us. Ready? Yep. Rightio, so she's back together. As you can see from the compressions, there is some damage going on in there. So yeah, I think he's going to build a bottom end and go for gold. Maybe put a 42 on it or something, I don't know. But it's yeah, she's a bit hurt, so something's happened with either fuel or timing. I'd say my guess is fuel, something to do with either fuel pump or block fuel filter, or a reg issue, or there's some shit in the actual injectors themselves. But there's 3 hurt pistons by the look of it. So anyway, that's yeah, just doing a compression test on a FG XR6 Turbo. Sweet as.